In this quick video, I will show you easy and straight to method on how to download and install the latest version of OBS Studio with some of basic settings. Just go ahead and open up any browser you are using in your computer and type obsproject.com. This is the OBS Studio official website that always gives you the latest version to download for your computer. Here we have different options: Windows, Mac or Linux. I am going to download it for my Windows as currently I am using Windows. The file is 150 megabyte. This will take a while depending upon your internet speed, so be patient. Once the download is completed, let's go to download folder. And now you can close your browser. Just go ahead and double click on OBS Studio file. Click yes. You got a welcome window. Click next, next. Here it's giving the location for installing OBS Studio. I have it in C program files OBS Studio. That's fine. If you want to change this location, you could just go to browse and select any folder or path from here. I'm fine with this location. Let me click on install. Now here OBS Studio will get installed in your computer in few seconds. And please note that the official website and setup I am showing you will always give you the latest and stable version of OBS. Once it's finished, it will show you completed setup, and here if you want you can launch OBS Studio directly. Once you open OBS after the first installation, it will ask you usage information. You could go ahead and specify what you want to use the program for. If you are using it for streaming, recording is secondary, that's fine, you can select the first one. Optimize just for recording, I will not be streaming, that's fine, I want to select this option. And the last option is I will only be using the virtual camera. So I'm happy with the second option. Let's click next. Now at this step, OBS is asked for some quick video setting. So if you go ahead and click on this option, you will get different display option while recording with OBS. I want to select 1920 180 base canvas resolution, and in the FPS section, you have different option. If you are at normal computer, that's fine. You could select the 30, but if you are on a better and fast computer, I will recommend you selecting 60. Let's click next. Now OBS will do some quick test and give you the final results that testing is complete and apply setting. I'm good with all of this setting. Let's go ahead and apply it. Now let's quickly go ahead and do some quick setting I will show you at the end. Here, please go to the setting menu. Now there is not much to change in the general option. Here we want to go to output setting. First, make sure output mode is set to simple, and here you have to change settings between streaming and recording because these are two different things. The main thing I will recommend you is setting up your video encoder for streaming and recording. So here, if you had any encoder in your computer, just go ahead and select that. In my case, I am using it on a VM. So for now, I have only software. That's fine. I will select software for both of the options. But if you have any video encoder attached to your computer, make sure to select that specific one. Now go quickly to audio section, and here please make sure you have selected your required mic here. Now in the video section again, base canvas resolution is the resolution of your OBS Studio this screen, and the output scale resolution is your recording screen. You could just go ahead and change it according to your requirement. And again, if you have a good computer and the internet speed, you could go ahead, select FPS value up to 60 here. Most of these settings need to be tested out. So if you are facing any problem on your computer while setting 60 FPS, you could just go ahead, change these options according to your requirement. So once you are done with all these basic settings, just go ahead and apply and then OK. Now quickly show you the scenes and the sources. If you go to scene here and click the plus button, we can go ahead and create the new scene here named recording. If you want to delete any scene, just select it and click on this delete button and it's deleted. Now in the sources, if you go this plus button here, we have an option webcam, video capture and the display capture. Now let's go ahead and display capture, name it if you want to change it. Select this, and here just go ahead and select your monitor and then click OK. In this case, it's going to show you my main monitor, and you could just go ahead and adjust it according to your requirement. And once you are done with all of the setting, you could just go ahead, start recording, and your recording will get started. So that's it about today's quick video, how to download the latest OBS version and how to install it on your Windows 11 computer with simple and straight steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK and I will see you in the next one.